amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Like beetroot juice. All right, so just to show you what I'm gonna be doing, I got a medium size blender. I'm not using the big one today. All right, so we're gonna put in the beetroot, one medium sized beetroot. I'm gonna be drinking beetroot over the next 4 more days. We're gonna be drinking beetroot juice. All right, so just to keep you guys up to date, yeah, this is some fresh ginger. All right, yeah. Okay, what I did, I just prep everything. That means you guys don't have anything to say. All right, then I'm going to put some lime inside of the blender. Okay, now you know what happened. I'm gonna put some we call it cucumber. I got extra cucumber. I'm gonna, all right, we're gonna add some more inside of it because cucumber is good, guys. All right, good for, you know, help you with your digestive system and weight loss and lots of things, help you with your blood pressure, so you can name it. Excellent. All right, here it is. It's gonna be a little bit too much, but that's all right. All right, so we fill up the blender right up to the top, as you guys can see it for yourself. All right, and this is going to be one of my favorite recipes, which I love to make at home, which you guys know. All right, what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna put some water, roughly about a cup of water. Or should I use a big blender? That's all right. 1 cup of water. All right. Yeah. Let me see what I go. I'm using a big blender. I don't wanna chop too much of that. We're gonna use a bigger blender. We have more space in it, so we use a big blender. We got more space, and that's the way it look. Let's make some noise. This is a book. Get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's all about Chef Ricardo cooking in the kitchen. All right, yeah, man. Let's blend him up and make some noise. Look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing. All right, so that's the way it look. So we're gonna pour it off. All right, yeah. Now let's simple. Just gonna pour it off like this. A good vibes. All right, yeah. So look at that. Fantastic. Just use a spoon, move it around. This is very good. You can drink it. Now go do nothing. Lots of juice. Look at that. You don't have to throw this. You can have this and use it in whatever you like to use it, you know. All right? Yeah. Yeah, man. That is fantastic and an amazing. Now, so you can see it. So we're gonna pour it off and make you guys see how that look. Fantastic and amazing. Where's my little secret cup? Excellent, Chef Ricardo. I'm gonna pour it off. Oh yes, that is it. All right, so you can drink this for 7 days and see how that, you know what I mean, working in the immune system. Nobody overdo it. Beetroot juice is very good for high blood pressure, guys, and boosts all your immune system. Beautiful skin, beautiful hair, looking good, help you with your immune system, help you with your gut. The list goes on. All right, so I would encourage you, if you are looking for something fantastic and an amazing, then this is one which I would have encouraged you to make at home. Beetroot juice, and also pomegranate juice. It's also very, very, very good. All right, people. So stay tuned in. Bless up on yourself, for you don't know the thing go. Chef Ricardo in the building as usual. All right. But just to keep you guys updated, to let you know that, yeah, beetroot juice is the #1. It's the way. It's, you know, over the next couple of days, yeah, I'm gonna be drinking it. You can drink it for about 4 to 5, 6 days, depends on you. All right. So we're gonna be drinking up a lot of beetroot juice over the next couple of days. These are some fresh organic beetroot juice, beetroot, which I bought, so they are amazing.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud, drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air, Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight, taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art, feel the love in every part.